ser mía muñeca y loco, loquito, muy loco, cuando tu cuerpo yo toco.
Alexa, stop.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Juliet here, back with another video. I'm back on your screen. So it's been a very long time. Now, you know what, I realized that I post 1 or 2 videos consistently and then I just disappear. That I generally just poof. But something that I really want to say is that I am shook. Like, I am in so much shock. I've hit 300 subscribers, and that for me, I feel like I have the whole world. Like, honestly, I don't know who would want to see me. I don't understand, and I never thought that I would get to 300 subscribers. Like, that for me is amazing, and thank you for each and every one of you guys. And you guys are still here, subscribe to me even though I don't post and I'm so inconsistent, but hopefully I get a grip of my things and I start working how I actually want to work. So I'm finally working. It was something that I really wanted, because oh, I just, bro, you generally need money in this life. And like, obviously you have your wants, like, oh, I want this, I want that, but you also have your needs. And now that I hit 18, like I'm about to hit 19 next month, it's like, so many things in this video I really can't explain, but I do want to sit down and explain a bit of the things that have been going on, so then you guys can understand why I've been ghosting for so long. The first one is that I'm taking a year gap. Yes, I'm taking a year gap. I was gonna go and do film production, which is something that I honestly have so much passion with, like, and I kind of lived the dream with YouTube, like filming, editing, preparing, post and pre-production, all of that. I love it. So it was something that I really wanted to do, but many of you guys know that I do suffer from mental health issues, which has literally stopped me from doing so many things that I love. It's taken passion away from me, it's taken motivation away from me, it's taken literally Juliet away from me. So near the end of A-levels is where I generally decided that I needed to take a break, because I was gonna go more insane de lo que ya soy. Like, yo soy crazy, pero continuing with uni, I was gonna go mental. Then we go to Juliet is Lost, where, I don't know, I'm like, oh my god, like, what happened? So you guys know that I'm doing YouTube and I'm doing my business, which hopefully soon I can start running. I started doing more products, and again, as I said, I lost motivation. I lost that enthusiasm that I felt when I was in the kitchen doing all my products, packing, seeing the orders come through, opening, seeing new containers to always. So it left. So I have that on stop, like in a little pause. And then my YouTube as well. For many people, especially people that don't do YouTube, they may think that you just have to grab a camera, talk, and then edit and then go. No, it's like a full-time job. I can't lie to you, it's like a full-time job, and it's tiring, it's stressful, because you have to think about the video that is going to go up, you have to think about preparing it, you have to think about filming it, then you have to think about editing, and while you're doing all of those 4 things, you have to think about the next video. So it's always like a constant thing, going and going and going and going. And this is why I've mentioned in my last videos that money is not in my mind. That many people think that I've been doing it because of money. No, I haven't seen 1 penny in my account or passing across my eyesight since I started YouTube, and that's what keeps me going. Of course I would accept the money because this is a full-time job, as I'm saying, but because I have passion to it, I will do it with no problem. If the money doesn't want to come, todavía pues que no venga. Suffering with depression and anxiety is terrible, and I know that many people don't understand it, and if you don't have it, even worse. And the people that do have it, each one feels something different. As I said 100 billion times, and I'm going to keep saying it throughout this video, I have felt literally useless, lifeless, just numb, right? And I have so many ideas that I want to do for YouTube. I want to grow. I want to even have a second channel where it's just like a formal thing, and then like a constant type of content, and then this one just keeps as like any video I want to do. But I haven't had the motivation, and I haven't been able to literally get up and do something. I feel like my videos are not good enough. I feel like no one's going to see them. I feel like people are just going to be like, why are you doing this? It was quite difficult to find a job, but thanks God I finally got it. And that helps me a lot, because even if I have to wake up early, I'm a person that I like to wake up early. I like to madrugar. And I work better when I wake up early than waking up late. I cannot wake late. No, I can't. So it helps me because I'm outside, I'm breathing fresh air, I'm meeting with people, I'm talking, I'm communicating, all of that, and my camera is about to die. Wow. I know that my family members, my best friend, my boyfriend is going to see this, but I just want to say thank you. Thank you for putting up with my problems. Like, honestly, I've had the best people by my side that are literally my pillars. Like, and you know who you are if like you've been through these hard things that I've been going through. Like, I can't explain, and I'm not even going to go in detail, because like even if I go with the whole dictionary of London, nothing's going to describe how I've been feeling. But you guys know, and I really appreciate it. And I can say that right now I feel good. There's days where I feel terrible, where I don't want to wake up, I don't want to shower, I don't want to brush my teeth, I don't want nothing. There's other days where I want to do everything. So yeah, and hopefully I get the courage one day to actually do a full video of my mental health issues and things like that. I know there's many people and friends that I've had that said, Juliet, don't talk about your problems, Juliet, don't talk about that, Juliet, don't. No. I'm gonna talk about it, because on my TikTok, and I will show a few videos here, I was doing a few awareness videos, and I've got some on my Instagram as well, and the comments that people said, it has helped me so much, and so much like other people, that brings me joy. Because if I know that I can at least give 1% of comfort to someone, I prefer to put myself out there as an example. I prefer for everyone to know, as long as I can help someone, or at least take a smile out in their face. And I just want to say that if you suffer from any mental health issues, do not ever feel like you're out of place, like if you're weird or anything. You are stronger than you think. You are so strong. Just the fact that you wake up, you open your pupils to this world, that's a huge sign that you're so strong, honestly. And we don't notice that. We don't. We like, no, I'm not strong, blah blah blah. No, we are. Trust me, we are. Oh my god. Okay, this light is not working here. But it's good demonio. Ew. What the hell? It's just this little. Yes! I think I got it. Alright guys, just sorry about the lighting. We're gonna have to work with that. Because Jewo, 5 years living in this house, y no tengo light bulb. No tengo light bulb. So, as you can see behind me, we have a very messy bed, but it's just things that I have there. So I have my nice fluffy cozy pero bota pelo scarf. Then I have all of this. This and that. So I went shopping on Wednesday. I needed underwear because, oh my goodness gracious, son, you know you need underwear. It's a necessity. That's the word, necessity. So yes, I've got my boxers because I like boxers kind of underwear, you know, and thongs. That's just me personally. I like them. But yeah, Ew, my eyebrows are disgusting. Anyways, so I'm just gonna put this, I'm tidying this up, and then that's really it. I'm just gonna, you know, fold this, chuck it in. That's it. Guys, is it just me, but every time I go to Primark, I need my socks. I need my socks. I don't know, I don't care how much socks I have in this house. I need my socks, you know? I need my socks. And these socks go in here. My fluffy socks. Bro, fluffy socks are just a need in the woman's life. If you have a girlfriend, if you have a if you have a girlfriend, if you have a wife, if you have a sister, cousin, whatever, give her fluffy socks. Just give her fluffy socks. I'm gonna leave this here. No, actually, in this little bag. This is my mum's. And guess what? More socks. More socks. I'm just gonna leave it just because these are like the ankle ones. If you guys can see, these are like the really stretchy ones. So I like to keep the cotton. I don't know, I just like to keep them. I clean my room. I know it doesn't look clean because like the bed's all like messy, but it's clean. So yeah guys, so I know this video was a bit weird, like cleaning, journaling, and a bit of inspirational talk and update, but anyways, I had to do it because I had to clear some things up. But yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry once again for the delay of the and no consistency in posting, but I love you guys, and I hope that everything from now on gets back on track. And yeah, so let me know down below if you have any videos that you would like to see. I know that many people have been asking me for a nose piercing update and care and all of that. Pardon me, so I will be doing that. And yes, I'll see you for the next one. Mwah.